Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering the 5 best heavy-duty digging forks in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Radius Garden Pro Ergonomic Stainless Steel Digging Fork. I have to admit that when I first saw a ring-handled tool, I thought anyone who'd use it would be a fool. Now I'll freely admit that I was wrong. If you have a rock stuck in the middle of your garden bed and want to pry it out, this will do it. You can use both hands on the ring handle and push down once your tines are beneath the soil surface. Double the arm strength equates to double the force. While it takes some getting used to, once you're familiar with this tool, you'll never go back to a traditional D-handle while digging. Definitely give this one a try. I think you'll find you'll like it. English design garden fork with 4 stainless steel tines that is ideal for cultivating soil, moving mulch or yard debris, turning compost, and digging potatoes and perennials. Pro digging fork that is durable, versatile and reliable with 4 stainless steel tines and resin-encased carbon steel shaft. Radius fork with an extra wide, elevated forward step to support your balance. Number 2. Our second best pick is Fiskars Ergo D-handle steel garden fork. With a welded boron steel fork and a steel shaft, this Fiskars garden fork is likely going to outlive you. This surprisingly inexpensive option from the well-known tool manufacturer is a great choice for someone who is going to be working in sandier soil conditions. It can handle harder soils, too. If you're going to be blending compost or peat moss into your bed or spreading large chip mulch, this garden fork will help you achieve your goals. Definitely a winner in my book. Loosen, lift and turn garden materials with a durable garden fork featuring advanced ergonomics and a rugged build. Welded boron steel blade and steel shaft provide durability that far outlasts wood-handled tools and won't flex like fiberglass. Angled D-handle keeps your wrist in a neutral position to reduce strain and provides a secure grip. Number 3. Our third best pick is Bully Tools Broadfork with fiberglass handle. While there are Broadforks which are fancier, which have different methods of use, and which have more tines, I like this one. For the money, you just can't beat it, and Bully makes a strong broad fork that will last you for years of use. The dual handles allow you double the leverage for prying potatoes out of the soil. The wide bar gives you a place to step down and use your foot to help pivot the fork out of the soil. All things considered, this is a solid broad fork at an excellent price, and well worth the money spent. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Truper True Tough Spading Fork. If you can only pick one type of fork, take a good look at this one from Truper. Its flat blades allow you to pull root vegetables up without risking damage. The wider tines also offer added leverage and you're prying old roots or rocks out of the soil. It can turn compost with the best of them, and the triangular tips allow for ease of soil penetration. My first fork was a spading fork much like this, in fact. There are other forks which are specialized for specific tasks, but if you need a multitasking tool, go with this one. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Gardena Terraline Compost Fork. Whether you have a compost pile or a stationary composter, this Gardena compost fork will help you achieve the black gold you're looking for. This wide fork will easily turn a standard pile in short order. If you're using a stationary composter, you can use it to aerate the contents by stirring them inside. Either way, it'll get the needed air into your pile to keep the heat up. Optimally shaped handle with plastic sleeve for a safe, non-slip grip. The drop-shaped handle profile prevents unintended distortion. 5 tines made of hardened quality steel with high-grade coating. Overall length of approximately 53 inches. With the new Terraline TM range, Gardena sets new standards for digging tools as to features, convenience and design. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.